Hi everybody, how are you? Happy Vlogmas. I believe today is day 6 of Vlogmas and I have been saving up something that I wanted to show you guys. So I want to do a little bit of an unboxing in this video. Hi everybody, how are you? Purchased a little while ago something from Temu. It was this wireless microphone lavalier set, and I know this is not a brand new item and lots of other vloggers have been using them and trying them, but it's new to me, so I thought I would go ahead and unbox it, try to use it now, and if it's something that you see early enough in Vlogmas, maybe you might want to order it for someone. I think it would make a nice little stocking stuffer or a small gift for somebody, and maybe something that's really useful. I don't remember exactly how much I spent on it. I want to say it was in the $8 to $9 range. I had my Temu pack that it came in, but Temu doesn't put it in the packing slip, so I wish they would start doing that. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and see if I can get her working. I can't even get the box open, let alone get it working. Oh boy, hold on. Okay, here we go. Okay, so this is the wireless lavalier microphone. Okay. Oh, looks like there's two microphones and a little USB, and I'm not sure what this guy is. I think you attach that part to the phone. Let's see. A little user manual. Connect the receiver to the iPhone with port. Seems simple enough. Okay, fits fine. Okay, now I guess I have to test to see how well this records sound. Hey guys, okay, so I'm testing out my new microphone here. Hopefully you can hear me okay. I have this Garland and I have this banister, this railing, and I want to hang the Garland on here. I have tried, last year I tried with this Garland and I had to give up. I could not get it to stay. I guess the weight of it was more than I was anticipating. It's hard to put hooks on. So this year I got myself some ties that are supposed to be just for this purpose. So let's see if we can do it. I need to get some Christmas going around here. I'm so behind on my decorating. So I guess there will be a second unboxing in this video. I actually got I got the ties from Amazon, and here's what they look like. This packet. I'm not sure how many are in here, maybe 60. And oh, they're kind of like, they're stuck together. It's kind of like Velcro. Well, maybe it is not just kind of like, maybe it's actually Velcro. So let me see. I don't know, but we're going to give it a whirl. Right now, I don't even have an idea of how I want it to hang. You know, like if I want it straight or a swag or or a swoop. But right now, I just really want to see if I can get them to get it to stick. So let's see. I'll just start at the top here and see if it holds. So there's a little loop here, I wonder if I should do it the other way around. I'm going to have to bring the camera closer so I can show you how I'm doing this, but that's if it works. If it doesn't work, you won't care. Okay, so making a little loop, and then trying to secure it. Oh, okay. Okay, let me do another one. See if I can do it a little easier. See if I can get the hang of this. I don't know. It is definitely Velcro, so I'm just trying to figure out how to loop it so that it sticks. So if I do it like that, then it sticks. Okay. And I love this garland. I got it from Hobby Lobby. Like I said, I don't think it was last year. I think it was the year before, but I have never been able to successfully hang this garland on this railing. It's actually heavier than it looks, and it would not stay. So I'm very hopeful about these ties. Okay, so I'm looping it through the little hole. And now, this still may be a two-person job, but I'm going to see here. I'm going to see. Okay. Definitely think it's going to hold the weight, which is nice. So let me keep going, and then I can come back through and show you what I've done. Peel off a couple this time around. Now these strips are green, so I thought they would blend in with the garland. Of course, they're much brighter than I thought they were going to be, and I'm going to have to play with it a little bit, but I really just wanted to see if it would hold. Because like I said, it seems like it was too heavy to hold with anything that I've tried before. So I think I'll just I'll keep playing with it and adjust it a little bit, but I think this is gonna work. Okay. I'm gonna put it more on top of the banister than the swag. Trying to be more strategic about where I put the tie. I'm sure someone who knows more about the weight distribution can tell me exactly where I need to place these ties. I'm just winging it. I definitely think this is going to work better, hold stronger than anything I've tried before with this garland. So that's exciting. Maybe one in between there. I thought the pack was going to have too many ties. I'm like, I don't think I need that many, but again, someone who knows more about weight, trying to distribute the weight evenly, would probably be able to tell me exactly how far apart I need to put these, but just as I quickly try to attach this, I think this is working so well. So much better than anything I've tried before with this. So, good job, Amazon. You came through. Okay. This is, like I said, this is holding so much better than I thought it would. I was just willing to try because I really thought this garland was pretty and I wanted to get it up, but wasn't sure I would be able to. So again, here is that's one of the ties, and you basically just loop it through, and because it is Velcro, it will stick itself. So I'm going to keep on going and see how far my garland reaches. I thought I had enough to go the whole way down, but maybe not. I might be going back to see if they still have this garland design at Hobby Lobby. It's a good start. I definitely think I will go back to Hobby Lobby and see if they have something similar that I can, or even the same ones that I could add another string or two of the garland. I'm impressed with my little Velcro strips here. They seem to be holding. That one could be a little tighter, but we're going to see. I'm going to come back in a little bit just to make sure that they haven't all fallen down to the bottom. But it seems to be holding and is pretty secure, and that makes me happy about it. So let me find out exactly what these are called. And again, I got them from Amazon. Okay, yes, I was right. They were a 60-piece set. Christmas garland ties, T-shape garland ties for railing. And that's what I have them on. And they do seem to be working out pretty well. So hope that helps you, although you guys are probably all fully decorated I'm still getting there. Okay, you guys, I'm back to check on the railing to see how the garland is holding. And so far, so good. It's been about a half hour, maybe 40 minutes later. And so far, so good. So, for my two new products today, I mean, it's not like I'm sponsored or anything. Not yet. But my new lavalier microphone, I give a thumbs up. And for my railing ties, the Velcro strips, I also give a thumbs up. I hope they will hold, and I hope that I will be able to show you eventually a fully decorated Christmassy house. It's taking a lot longer than I had anticipated. But anyway, thanks so much for decorating with me, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next time, like tomorrow, for more Vlogmas. Thank you.